How about we go plastic?
Plastic?
Yeah.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Oh, is it plastic?
There's plastic over here.
Where is it?
That is plastic. Break it up.
Oh, what is that? That's a car.
That's a Trabant. How cool Trabant. Now, back in 2006.
Was it? Yeah.
A long time ago now.
Yeah. What happened then?
I spent some time in Hungary that year.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Where were
My in-laws are all Hungarian.
Oh, I thought you were just saying that you're hungry, you want to eat.
No, the country, the Eastern Bloc country.
Oh, okay, yeah.
And these are like...
Are they everywhere?
These are car everywhere.
Oh, really?
Absolutely everywhere. They were, during communist times, these are the only car you could have.
Right.
And everybody had to have one.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you didn't get to choose a color or anything, but it didn't matter. They were a two-stroke, I want to say 600cc.
Mm-hmm.
I actually don't know heaps about them, but I actually got the chance to drive one. It was really cool. So it was a 3-speed column shift manual.
Right.
Driving on the wrong side of the road. And
did you drive on dirt? Did you rally?
No.
No.
I did turn right. I did turn onto the wrong side of the road.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Scary?
One instance. No. Jewel, the city that they're from, would be like driving in Geelong, so it's like busy, but
okay.
not like Collins Street or St Kilda
so
Road.
Plenty of time to avoid it.
Yeah. But they smoke and they smell, and they're really cool. So
what color was it?
It was like that. It was like
really?
Yeah. I don't want to say what color it was, but yeah, it was like that.
One of them.
It was that funny color red.
Right. Did it have the peace symbol and stuff on it?
No, it didn't have any of that. No. And actually fiberglass.
Right.
So or like polymer.
They're like really thick, aren't they? Can't you hit them with a sledgehammer?
Yeah, but they crack and smash like an egg.
Yeah.
It's not something that you'd probably want to be in a car accident, I'd say.
Oh, really?
I'd say they wouldn't have very much safety measures or crumple zones or any of that.
What is this design
front-wheel drive
going back to? Is it we're talking 60s or 50s?
Yeah. Post-war, industrial, getting people moving again.
Yeah.
Really cheap. There wasn't a lot of money around. So, yeah. You might have had to wait 3 years for one once you'd ordered one.
They're still driving these around, probably not so much now.
Yeah, well, they were trying to phase out the two-strokes for emissions.
Right.
And they were doing like engine swaps into them.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so the cars were that reliable, the bodies, they don't rust.
No.
So there's nothing there to rust, and they're really, really simple. They were designed that you could like take the engine out and fix it yourself. Like the original engine was an air-cooled two-stroke, so it was really, really simple design. No mod cons, no heater, no nothing like that from memory.
Well, it got you around.
Didn't have wind down windows.
No,
nothing like that. No seat belts.
Keep it simple.
Just pews.
Yep.
If they could have got away with milk crates for front seats, they probably would have. But anyway, so that's from Revell.
Yep.
And I just thought I'd like it, so I have no idea what the actual model's like.
24 scale.
But watch this space.
It's got engine detail. You can see it on the back. We'll zoom in on that.
We can zoom in on that.
It's a bit different, isn't it?
That's really cool. And I would actually love to. I wonder how many.
600cc.
Yeah, 600cc. It's probably why it's called a 601, I would say. I'd love to know how many there was worldwide. Somebody could probably Google it.
Google it.
Yeah, but anyway, there was millions and millions of them all through Eastern Europe. And I don't know. I think each country sort of had their own manufacturing plant somewhat.
So they would have all had their own little flavour.
Yeah.
Trobby. Similar, aren't they?
Trabant.
Trobbies.
Yeah. Very, very cool. Have
Wow.
given one.